In a remarkable revival of history, 9 newly commissioned Roman busts have found their home in the elegant reception area of a Georgian country estate. These classical sculptures are part of an extensive restoration effort aimed at bringing North Hall back to its former glory within the Grade 1 listed Stowe House, located in Buckinghamshire. This ambitious project, which took 6 years to complete and required an investment of £75,000, was made possible through the dedicated efforts of the Stowe House Preservation Trust, alongside the generous contributions of 2 alumni from Stowe School. Each of the 9 busts, which depict Roman emperors, significant historical figures from ancient times, and the goddess Juno, was meticulously researched to ensure they accurately reflect the historical context. The conservation teams drew inspiration from existing examples housed in various collections throughout the UK. They employed a blend of modern technology, including 3D scanning and scaled printing, alongside traditional casting techniques to recreate these stunning pieces. To achieve a seamless integration with the hall's authentic 18th century aesthetic, the final touches were hand-applied to imitate the appearance of aged marble and bronze. Rene Rice from Cliveden Conservation expressed his enthusiasm for the project, stating, "It has been a pleasure to work with Stowe House Preservation Trust on recreating these busts. Seeing them back in place completes the North Hall's decorative scheme and restores a key part of Stowe's history." The North Hall itself was originally designed in the 1730s by the renowned architect William Kent. The initial phase of its restoration, which took place from 2015 to 2018, focused on preserving Kent's gilded ceiling and the original canvas paintings that adorn the space. However, progress was temporarily halted when researchers discovered that additional sculptures had once graced the room. In a twist of fate, one former student of Stowe School, affectionately known as an Old Stoic, stepped forward to fund the creation of a single bust. Just 6 months later, another Old Stoic generously committed to financing the remaining busts, thus enabling the completion of the North Hall's decorative vision. Founded in 1997, the Stowe House Preservation Trust is dedicated to the restoration and upkeep of this historic building. It operates as an independent charity, distinct from both the National Trust and Stowe School. This restoration not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of Stowe House, but also serves as a poignant reminder of the rich history that this site embodies. What do you think about the importance of preserving historical artifacts like these busts? Do you believe that such efforts are essential for future generations to appreciate their cultural heritage? Share your thoughts in the comments.